Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Style. So you guys know that I have been doing like bows lately, and recently I did the custom bows where you can put your name on it. Well, I just wanted to show you guys a few more bows that I made, and the templates to do these are going to be on my Patreon page. I'm going to upload it. So whether, you know, even if you're a $1 Patreon, you will have access to these templates here. And this one is a butterfly bow. I just you know, use one of those clips. I think that is super cute. And guys, I use my cutting machine again. Look at this. I did a bat one. I think this one is super cute. Again, just use, you know, the same type of clip. And I even used it to cut the foam. I didn't do any cutting. And then I did like a unicorn one, or I tried to, I'll say that. Again, you know, just use the same type of clip. And I used what is this, like the little card stock type of paper, and just you know, foam. I love using foam. So I just want to share with you guys, a bow just doesn't have to be these, you know, like these type of things. You can cut different you know, backgrounds and use for bows as well. I think I'm going to try a Maleficent one next, you know, with the horns. I think that would be super cute. Please, son, do not come over here, y'all. My son don't got no clothes on. I got to go see what's going on and help him. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm telling y'all, a mother's job is never done. Never done. I just want 5 minutes to record. Just 5 minutes to record. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.